Alright everybody, so it is now Thursday morning. It's about 8:30, and of course our last day here, full day here. We're going to have breakfast this morning, and that is going to be our pork roll, egg, and cheese on some hamburger buns. Mark's over here toasting up his buns right now, and then he's going to make himself a fried egg for each of us. We're going to melt some cheese on there. We're going to have our typical New Jersey pork roll, egg, and cheese, as we do, being two Jersey boys. Not a whole lot to do with this particular cook. Just kind of fry up your pork roll real nice. Make a slit on around the edges because it's round and it bubbles up sometimes. So you got to just cut the edges on it a little bit so it stays flat on the cast iron. Coleman stove working well. Mark's got his butane stove over there, so that's all set. So we're just going to have a little breakfast. So let me go ahead and finish up this cook, and then we'll kind of show you that final sandwich. Alright everybody, so I've got my 4 slices of pork roll nice and cooked on my hamburger gun. Mark's got his all toasted up. He's having his. He's got his egg and cheese and ketchup on there right now. So right now Mark's going to cook my egg. But for this video, I'm going to use my number 39 cowboy skillet. It's just a small, 5-inch diameter kind of skillet, just enough for an egg. So maybe you've seen this in other kind of videos and stuff, but this is the first time I've got my hands on this one for a while now, and just haven't had any kind of good videos to cook with it. But now, since we're here, Mark's going to make my egg, so he's going to use this pan, and he's going to cook me my egg.
All right. Ready? That's good.
So he's using that butane stove, and he's going to just add some butter to it, and then we'll see how it works out. But pretty kind of cool that these 100-year-old cowboy skillets are now all the rage kind of thing, and they've gone up in price a lot over the last couple of years because everybody seems to be wanting to grab them for that nostalgia purpose. So this one is a number 39. It has that pinwheel kind of logo on the end. I don't know who manufactured it. It's not Cold Handle. It's not National, so I'm not really sure what brand it is. But because it's that light tin metal, man, it heats up really quick. And there it is. So let's cook that egg. Add some cheese, and then I'll be eating my sandwich as well. So as soon as that's done, we'll kind of show you as the egg gets closer and he puts on the cheese, and then I'll be having my sandwich. Alright everybody, just a quick word from some of the supporters of the channel. First Slammer Series turkey calls. They're made by a hunter for hunters. If you're looking for a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware and surrounding areas, meeting all your pool and spa needs. Science Scientists, providing a broad range of services including wall, murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.sciencescientist.com or call 919-685-7641. Also, Tactical Creations. We're a small personalized business that's here to help you personalize items to make the gift that you give that much more special. Visit www.tacticalcreation.com or call 770-548-2691. If you're interested in purchasing any NC Piedmont Outdoors apparel or Slammer Series apparel, visit our Teespring site. The link is in the description box. Alright everybody, so there it is, cooked in the cowboy skillet, my pork roll egg. Well, the pork roll is cooked in the Coleman cast iron as usual, but the egg and cheese in my cowboy skillet, still sticking a little bit, so I definitely got to do some more seasoning on that so it gets a little more non-stick, because I haven't, as I said, used it as much. So even with the butter on it, it's still stuck a little bit too much than I like. So got some work to do in that skillet. But for right now, I'm just going to sit down and eat this sandwich. So thanks again. This is our breakfast again Thursday morning. So hope you all enjoy, and hit that like and subscribe. And then we'll have another video for you soon. So take care, everybody. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.